Okay, so what I have with me here right now is a Goody hairbrush by like the brand Goody there. And it's just like a light, like sky blue with like a gray, more like rubbery kind of finish there for a better grip. There's like a hole here that you can like put it somewhere to hang, or something that like you can put through it to have it hang on somewhere, like tie a string through it and hang it on a hook, or like on the end of like a bedpost or something like that, just to kind of have it sitting somewhere where you can just kind of grab it and take it up. So what I want to first start off about saying about this product is that it's a pretty good hairbrush. Like I have had this hairbrush for 2 years now, and I still have it. Like, it's the same hairbrush. Like, I haven't had to go buy a new one. Like, this is the same hairbrush I've been using for such a long time, and it's a great hairbrush. The bristles are soft, but they still grab my hair like they would be like a rougher bristle. And I know with a lot of brushes, it's hard to find those brushes that like have the soft bristles but still treat your hair like it's hair, because I do not like the rough bristle brushes because they scratch my scalp and they hurt it, and I have a very sensitive head, and when I use certain brushes, those brushes will literally scrape my scalp and I will bleed from my scalp. And then I'll have scabs in my head, and then it's just really bad. And that's what I like about this one, is because the bristles are soft, but they still grab my hair enough to make my hair look nice. And I really like the color of it. It matches the theme of my room because I am a college student. And the theme of my room is like this kind of baby bluish, like tealish color. And I just like everything to be consistent and kind of matching and things like that. It's like the normal size of a hairbrush that like most people would use, honestly. I have had this brush used for so many people. The bristles, like, I use this for people, but like the bristles I wash out, because like I know you're not supposed to use brushes for other people and put it in their hair, but I will literally just wash out the bristles because I don't want anything bad to happen to my hair. So I'll just wash out the bristles with some soap and water, maybe some shampoo, because like for your hair you put like shampoo and stuff in there, and I'll just wash it out that way and rinse it out really good and make sure the brush is not dirty or anything. It's actually very easy to wash out also, so that's another thing that I like about it, is you can just like run your fingers through each of the little rows and wash out in between the bristles. I usually clean this brush about once every 2 weeks, just because I hate when there's like hair stuck in there, and since my hair is more coarse, hair does tend to get stuck in there a lot more. I also use this for like when I am gelling my hair, like if I put gel in my hair and I use this brush to like brush the gel into my hair, and it does so well with that. Like, I know a lot of brushes will kind of just streak the gel in there and it won't actually brush it into your hair, and I don't like that, because when you put gel in your hair, you're expecting the gel to still be there and make your hair stay in the style that you want it to, and those brushes don't do that. But I like this one because it does, and there are a lot of bristles in there. I don't know if you can see that, but there's so many bristles in just the one like brush. And I know some other brushes, they don't have very many bristles, and that's probably why they're like a harder texture, like a rougher texture. But with this one, has a lot of bristles, and it grabs the gel and makes it go into my hair when I'm doing any of those styles. And it's just an overall great brush. Again, like I said, I've had this for almost 2 years, and I would recommend this to literally anyone. Like, so many different people. Like, you can be Indian, African American, white, like anything, Asian, and you can use this for your hair. Like, it is something that it just sleeks your hair, or it just does whatever you need your hair to be doing at the moment. Like, honestly, you could use this for teasing your hair too if you really think about it. And that's something that I like, because it's not going to be super rough on your hair. It doesn't grab your hair and like yank it out or anything like that. It's a good hairbrush. Packaging it came in was just like a cardboardish paper type plastic thing, and it doesn't break easily. I've dropped this brush probably like more times than I can count, just because, you know, when you're brushing your hair, you have like slippery hands sometimes, and you know, it can slip out of your hands. The little grip does work well though, and honestly, if it didn't have that, I'd probably drop it a lot more than I actually do. It's like a little rubbery grip, the gray part, you know, the part where you usually grab to brush your hair. And honestly, yeah, if it didn't have that grip, I'd probably drop this so many more times than if it didn't have it. You know, like if it didn't have the grip on there. Like, the grip is so good for me to use anytime I do my hair, especially with like a lot of the gel products. Like, they make your hands very slippery and stuff like that. So I actually found this brush on my own when I was doing some shopping, and you know, I just needed a new brush because, you know, my old brush got old. I dropped it a lot. I had that brush for a really long time, and I was done using that brush and I needed a new one, and I wanted it to kind of match my theme along with the rest of my room. So again, this is just the Goody hairbrush. It has a little grip thing here, and the bristles are super soft, and I just really enjoy this.